Hey everyone, if I'm sending you this link to this video, I have set up an Epic account for your student. And what I have done is I've chose about 8 books for the next week. 2 of the books would be more on your child's reading level, and then the other set would be more towards close to on-level books. That way they get a little exposure to both. There are quizzes after the book that they can take. Want to try this out and see how it goes this week. Something nice and easy for them to get some reading practice. The book does read to you, but they can read along with the story. And if they have younger siblings, they can enjoy the books too. I'm pretty sure they can kind of take a look at some of the other books too, even though they're not assigned to them. But what you're looking at right now is 2 sets of instructions on how you can get to this this program. So the top one you see is for laptops or Chromebooks. And then the bottom one, if you don't have access to that, what's cool about this is that you can download the app. It's free. And if you put in this class code, you can get in. So I've left this up here for a minute. I'll leave it up a little bit longer in case you want to jot something down. That class code is KXJ0641. All right, so what I'm going to switch over to now is once they get in, I have assigned them, like I said, different stories. They each have their own little, I forget what you call the little guys here. And so if you click on their name, what you'll see, of course it's sitting here, oh, your teacher has sent you this book, so you could check it out if you want. And like I said, it will start reading the book, and you can check that out. But also, you can go over here to the mailbox, and that's where all the assignments are at. Oh, let me move my screen over so you can see here. So you can go and see the different books that have been assigned. Like I said, I want to try this out, something nice and easy. We're trying just to review and keep those skills we've learned this year. And like I said, I've said this in other videos if you've already heard me. This is something new to all of us, not just you guys, but teachers as well. So we're going to try to do the best we can to get some good information out and some good practice out for your kids. And I think that's about it. But I will send this have this in the remind, and so you can watch the video and get started.